Meaning of drogue.
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 Drogue. Drogue refers to a cone-shaped device that is attached to a rope or cable and used to stabilize or slow down movement. It is commonly used in aviation and maritime industries, where it can help planes or boats maintain control during mid-air refueling or rough sea conditions. The drogue creates drag, which helps slow down the aircraft or vessel and prevent it from drifting off course. In addition, drogue can also refer to a type of fishing lure that is designed to mimic small baitfish and attract larger predatory fish.